Well, hello everyone. Well, I wanted to come on and talk to y'all today about something that I've seen. I'm on several different canning pages, and I've seen a question multiple times recently that I want to address with you all today. And I suspect, if not all of you all, most of you all already know this, but just in case there's someone here who does not know this, I want to help you. So, y'all have seen on some of my videos, I have the vacuum sealer that is a jar vacuum sealer. And I have seen questions to ask about canning food with a jar vacuum sealer. Please don't do that. You're going to kill yourself or somebody with botulism or bacteria illnesses at least. Jar vacuum sealers are for preserving dry foods. You know, when I say dry foods, I'm talking about oats and grains and nuts and, anything that is absolutely dry, your dehydrated foods. And I also use it for fresh produce because you can drop like strawberries or, any kind of berries. You can drop them in those jars and vacuum seal them and put them in the refrigerator. And by removing the air from the jars, it will prolong how long those are good for. So I just wanted to address that with y'all today. Do not use a jar vacuum sealer and think you're canning something with it, because it's not removing air from a jar that preserves your food and makes it shelf stable. Dry food, yes, you want to remove the air to make it more shelf stable, to make it last longer, because air, heat, and light they're the enemies of your dry food. But for canning and for making something shelf stable, it is the heat and the acid. And I'm going to approach that in another video on knowing whether to water bath can, steam can, or pressure can your food. But for this video, I just want you to know that vacuum sealers for jars are only for dry food or to preserve your fresh produce in the refrigerator and make it last longer. Never for the shelf. Hope this is helpful to somebody. And until the next time, God bless you.